Hi guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading, and today I'm going to do something different. I will do a Celtic cross spread to find out should you wait or move on. Okay, whenever we have any specific question or particular question, I will use this Celtic cross spread. So after a long time I'm using this spread. Let's see and let's find out the answer. This reading will be in detailed. I'll pull 10 cards and I will spread it in a Celtic cross, and I will find out the details, whatever the energies or messages are coming from spirit guides and angels. I will try to deliver to you. Sometimes I stammer because so many messages will be coming at the same time and I don't know which one to say first and which one to say next, like that. So many messages will be coming together, so sometimes I'll be little in a hurry or a confused state. Okay, so before starting the reading, I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers who are constantly supporting me and my channel. I am growing along with my channel, and thank you so much for that. If you like my readings, you can like, share and subscribe to my channel and press bell symbol to get more notifications. And if you want any personal reading, you can contact me. My email ID is given below, then I will respond to you accordingly. Then please note that these are general readings. They may or may not resonate with everybody, but still I will try to deliver all the messages whatever the spirit guides are giving it to me. Okay, so let's start the reading. Should you wait or move on? Whatever connection you are having with this person, maybe crush, lover, husband, ex, wife, okay, whatever it may be. So should you wait for them or you can move on? Okay, we will try to ask angels and I'll get the messages from them. Okay, this is requested by one of the viewer, and that is the reason I'm doing this today. Okay, so let's start the reading. I'll get you the piles. Okay, we have two piles here. Pile number one is tree agate and pile number two is amethyst. Okay, so you can pause the video if you need more time. You can choose one of the piles. So pile number one is this tree agate and pile number two is this beautiful amethyst. Okay, so whichever you are intuitively connected with, you can choose the pile, and if you need more time you can pause the video. Okay, let's start the reading without wasting much time. Whoever chose this beautiful tree agate, so this reading is for you. So let's see if you should wait or move on in this connection. Angels and spirit guides, please give us some guidance, please give us some clarity. Whoever chose this tree agate, should they wait or move on? Should they wait or move on? Whoever chose this pile number one, should they wait or move on? I'm not taking the cards which are falling down because I'm doing something different today. That is Celtic cross deck spread. I'm doing Celtic cross spread. So angels and spirit guides, please give us some guidance and clarity. Should you wait or move on? Should you wait or move on? Should you wait or move on? Okay, let me spread the cards. Hope you can see the cards. The spread is too long that nobody can see. So let me adjust my camera a little bit. Okay, I think you can see now. Okay, this is a Celtic cross deck spread. So let me arrange the camera once again. Let's start the reading. We'll start from your card. Okay. So this is you. Okay, this is Queen of Cups. That means you are maybe most probably you are a female watching this reading, and maybe you are a single mom, okay, or a single dad. You have children and you are compassionate, affectionate with lot of emotions, and you are having lot of wealth. You are well settled, I can say. So you are well settled and waiting for somebody. This is your energy. Whoever is viewing this reading, this energy is yours. This is you. Okay, very nurturing, emotional, compassionate. Now this is what is your next step. Okay, Page of Wands. That means you want to have a passionate communication with your person. Okay, this is what you are feeling. Your next step will be your passionate communication with your person. So Page of Wands means immatured energy, and somebody is very very beautiful, attractive, and they have lot of passion with the wants. Okay, this is your next step. I mean, what is crossing you, or what is your next step? Okay, this is what you are in dilemma now, whether you want to communicate with this person, and you have lot of passion for this person, whoever it is you are talking about, or you are asking this question. So you are very much passionate about this person, and you want to communicate with them, or you are waiting for the communicate from that person. Okay, this person might be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and the viewer, whoever it is, they might be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, please take it how it resonates. So next card is, what are you going through right now? Okay, so you are going through right now is lot of burdens, lot of hurdles. You have lot of responsibilities on your head, and you are struggling actually in your life right now. You have all the burdens and responsibilities on your shoulders. So right now you are struggling a lot, and this is like considered as almost you are walking away from this connection. Okay, so already because of these burdens, because of this pain, problems, responsibilities, because this connection is whole and soul on your shoulders. The other person is not even looking at you, not even taking care of you, not even thinking or talking to you anything. So everything is on your shoulders. So you are simply kind of walking away from this connection, or ending this connection, or completing one cycle in this connection. Okay, so next card, what you are trying to achieve. What you are trying to achieve. Okay, so you want to achieve this wealth and power. Okay, so you want to be in the position of Queen of Pentacles. Queen of Pentacles means you want a happy family, happy life, and you want to be strong financially. You want lot of wealth and money in your future. Okay, so Queen of Cups and Queen of Pentacles. So you are in Queen's energy, and you want this position of Queen of Pentacles. Now you don't want to go with emotions. In future you want to go with the like materialistically. Now you want to have money, you want to have power in this situation. So you want to achieve lot of success, and here also I can see definitely one of the viewer, many of the viewers are single mothers, I can see here. But please take it how it resonates. It can be single father also, but they are not very young energy. Okay, so many of you, whoever is watching here, they are like already they went through lot of problems in their life. They are not so young. Okay, so let's continue. So next is, it is near past. So near past, it was a kind of a celebration or engagement. Something happened in your life. Some celebration happened in your life. Some victory you have achieved. Okay. So this victory can be financially also. This victory can be love related also, or this is kind of an engagement also. It can be many things. Okay. This is kind of a victory or celebration. So that you have already had in the near past. Okay. Within few months you had this. In the past few months you had this already, the celebration. Okay, now we will see near future. What will be there in near future? So near future is moon card. That means this future is not clear to you, and lot of secrets and lot of deceptions are there, lot of threats are there. You are not happy, you are not you don't have any hope towards the future, because your mind is completely full of doubts, fears. Okay, so you are now, and for some people this can be mother issue also. So maybe for some of you, mother interference is there in your connection. Maybe your mother or that person's mother is involved in this connection, and that is what the so many secrets are there, and you are not able to see. And for some people it can be a long distance connection also. So let's see the next card. So your attitude towards this connection or towards this situation. Okay, so your attitude towards this connection or situation. So you want to have a marriage with this person. Okay, you want to have a stable connection, a stable commitment, and you want to be respectful in the society. You want to have a name and fame in this society with this person. So this is what is your attitude towards this person or towards this connection. Now let us see the environment. Okay, what is the environment related to this connection? So environment means, so definitely you have selected the hierophant as attitude, and now the environment is you want to have a family with this person, with children, pets, and older people in your home. Okay, this is what is the environment that you are looking for, that is what you are seeking for. Okay, this is what you are you want this environment to be, with a lot of legacy, lot of money, like a lot of wealth, and your house should be like a palace or a mansion, and you should be surrounded with your person, some elderly people in your home, or this can be your father or mother or their father or mother, then pets and children. So you want to have this in your life. This is kind of environment you are looking for. So now next, see the hopes and fears card. Okay, hopes and fears. So that means you are confused here. You both are blocked each other. You don't have any communication. You both are blocked each other. So you don't know what is happening in this connection actually. So you are totally confused. You have two options here in your life. So you don't know which one to choose. Okay, this is what is the hopes and fears in this connection. Okay, so let's see the outcome of your question. Should you wait or move on? In this connection, should you wait or move on? Okay, so it is 8 of cups. Okay, so I'm sorry to say the spirits are saying that you should not wait anymore, and you have to move on, so that you will have a better future. Even though these cups are full, but you don't know when it will manifest in your life. It might take long time. So universe is saying, spirits are saying that it is better that you walk away from this connection. So you walk away from this connection and you leave this person. That is only is good for you, beneficial for you, because we have near future also this moon card. So both cards are not good cards. It is not a good outcome. Okay, so whoever chose this tree agate, so for them the answer is negative. Please don't get offended, or please don't feel sad, but this is what universe is saying. Even though you try to be try to have success in this relationship, even though you want marriage and commitment in this connection, but spirits and universe is saying that the things are not good in future. So it is better that you should walk away. You don't wait, and you should walk away. So should you wait or move on? So the answer is you should move on. So if you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, friends. So whatever spirits are saying, whatever cards are saying, that is my duty to inform you those messages. Okay, please don't feel bad. Let's try after some days, and let's see. Okay, that's all I have for you. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this beautiful amethyst, okay, so this reading is for you. Should you wait or move on? Should you wait or move on? So I'm going to do the Celtic cross spread right now. So we will see. Okay, spirits and angels, Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, please give us some guidance, please give us some clarity. What should they do? Should they Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, please give us some clarity, please give us some guidance. Should they wait or move on? I'm not taking the falling down cards because I'm doing Celtic cross spread today. So let's see. Angels and spirit guides, please give us guidance and clarity. Should they wait or move on? Okay, so this is Celtic cross spread. Let me arrange. Okay, so now let's start the reading. So whoever chose this amethyst, so this reading is for you. Let's see how you are right now. This card represents you. Okay, this is you. So you are in a waiting mode. You are not taking any action. So you might be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, you might be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So you are not doing anything. You are just waiting for that person's mail or message. Okay, or something. You are waiting for something to happen in your life, whether it is marriage or whatever it is. You have sowed your seeds and you are waiting for the fruition, and you are waiting for them to come into your hand, or you invested something and you are waiting for the results. Okay, so you are admiring this connection, or you are having a positive thoughts about this person and this connection, and you are waiting for them. Okay, so now next is, what is crossing you, or what is your next step? So this card popped up. This is King of Cups. So in the next step will be, you want to take an action, you want to be full of emotions. You want to offer your cup of love and you have genuine honest feelings towards this person. You want to offer the cup of love to this person, and you want to, it is still in your mind, it is not into action. So you are still thinking that you can offer some offer, okay, maybe it can be engagement, marriage, or love, okay. You want to offer this person because that person is not at all communicating with you. You want to take a step. So this is your thinking, it is in your head that you will take the next step. So now let's see what you are going through right now. So what you are going through right now, you are independent, you are single, you don't have anybody in your life, your cups are full, you are strong, confident, you are healthy, then beautiful or handsome, take it how it resonates, gender doesn't matter here. So you are very free bird, you are waiting for the like completion, okay. So your wish fulfillment, you are waiting for this person, and your wish will be fulfilled. That is what you are hoping and you are believing, okay. That is what you are going through right now, is your wish will be fulfilled, and your wish is going to fulfill, okay. This nine of cups is called as wish fulfillment card. That wish fulfillment is in your what are you going through right now. That means your some wish is going to fulfill at the present moment, okay. So next, see what you are trying to achieve. So what you are trying to achieve, there are so many fears and problems in your life, this four of swords. So that means you want to overcome all these struggles, okay. You have to cross all these struggles and fears and pain, or some threats. There are some threats in your life, okay. So you want to come out of all these fears and your these dangers or threats. You are praying God, you are folding your hands, you are not doing anything, you are just praying, okay. You are keeping calm and you are praying God that everything should go smoothly, everything happen in a good way, okay. So this is not only about this connection, you have some other things also. Maybe it is related to your money, finance, or career. Something is there in your life which is already happening in your life right now. The wish fulfillment also related to this only. So your wish fulfillment might be your you might be getting a good job, or you might be getting a good financial gain, something your wish is fulfilling. Or if you want something to happen, like you want to go to abroad, or something related to other than this connection, your wish is fulfilling. And for that matter, you are praying God that all these obstacles or threats or problems should not hinder your future, okay. Then near past. So near past, it is Ace of Pentacles. So you might have joined a new job, or you might have started a new business, okay. In the near past, near past means few months back you might have done this. So you might have started a new business, or you changed your new job, or you joined something else, okay. So this is what Ace of Pentacles means. It is new beginnings in your work and finance, money related, okay. So you started something new in your financial aspects. So now it is near future. So near future, it is saying that you have lot of problems. These are couple, okay. These two are couple, they are wounded, they had lot of problems, but still they are together, they are not getting separated. So this will be your near future. So whomever you are asking about, should you wait or move on, so you both will be together. So there are so many secrets, there are so many things happening inside. This is a church actually. So you can see Five of Pentacles, this is inside the church. So many secrets are happening, so many things are happening, but still this couple are together. They are wounded, they are hurt, they are in pain, but still they are together. They are not leaving this connection. That means you and your person, you both are not giving up on this connection, okay. So now what is your attitude towards this connection? So your attitude towards this connection is the Fool. That means you want to take a risk in this connection. You are ready to take a risk, you are ready to take a leap of faith. You don't know what will happen in the future, but still you are ready to take a risk in this connection. This is your attitude towards this connection or this person, okay. So next is, what is the environment, okay. So the environment is Queen of Cups, Queen of Pentacles. That means your environment, or you are wishing that you should have a strong stable life, strong stable family life, and money, career, everything should be stable. This is not related to emotions. You want to stabilize your life in finances, okay. So you want to have your power, you want to have family, and this is the environment that you are looking for, that you are longing for, okay. So you want to have this kind of a life, okay. So you are not flowing in emotions, You are thinking materialistically. You see, so many pentacles are here. That means you are looking for financial stability and financial gain. Okay, so you want to have lot of money, wealth, and financial stability. So let's see what are your hopes and fears. Okay, so this is the last card we will see. So this card is hopes and fears. Okay, the hopes and fears is you want to have the engagement, you want to have some celebration with this person, you want to have like public recognition. This is kind of a victory card. So you want a victory in this connection, you want to have life with this person, and this is what is hopes and fears. You are hoping for that, but your fear is whether it will happen or not. That is your fear. Okay, so Six of Wands, so that means you want to have a victory in this connection, you want to celebrate, you want to make your connection public. Okay, you want to have a social recognition of this connection. Okay, that is what your hopes and fears. And this is the outcome of this connection. Whatever question you are asking, should you wait or move on? This is Knight of Swords. Should you wait or move on? So they are saying that take action. Okay, should you wait or move on? So you don't simply wait, but you take some action. Whether you can move on, it is not a bad card or it is not a negative card, but spirits are saying that instead of waiting, you take some action, like a very fast moving action. Okay, so maybe it is like you should contact this person, or you make a contact through your family members or friends. Okay, some communication you can initiate. For some people, maybe this person will come towards you with a like a Knight of Swords. Knight of Swords, even though it is a short term, it is not a long term stable commitment or stable relationship, but still there is a movement, there will be an action in this connection. So this person will be coming towards you within very fast. This person, maybe end of this month, maybe before 2020 ends, this person might turn up directly. They might travel and come towards you, or they might send some message. Some communication will happen with this person. Okay, so spirits are saying do not simply wait, but take some action. Okay, that can be your person, or you should have to make some movement. Okay, you no need to move on, because you will be together with this Five of Pentacles cards. Whatever happens, you will be together. You are not giving up on this connection. So spirits are saying don't give up on this connection. Instead of that, take some action. So our question is, should you wait or move on? So universe is saying don't move on, wait, but wait in such a way that you take action, then wait. Okay, that's all I have for you. Pile number 2, whoever chose the amethyst. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please press bell symbol for more notifications. Until the next reading, bye.